Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off history being saved in Google Chat and Google Spaces. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So Google Chat and Spaces work similarly here. So if you had any chat or Google Spaces set up, just would open up those chat settings over here on the left panel here. And then you would select the username of whoever you're chatting with, or if there's a Google space, you would just click in that title up at the top here. And where it says turn off history, delete new messages in 24 hours, go ahead and select that. And if you wanted to enable history, again, you just would go back in there and select turn on history. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do positive to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.